What's going on? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. Anyway, let's talk about some gobbies and what some of the rumors are. How to find a virgin gobby. You don't have to necessarily own one because I've been thinking. I flipped a couple so far. I did mint a McGoblin burger. And I actually flipped that. I should have held a little longer because now they're going for like 1.5 ETH. If we take a look, where are we? Not these dudes. Let's take a look here. 1.5 ETH, give or take, at the moment. I got 1.15 for mine. But I've been thinking, when it comes to rarity, mine was initially ranked 500 and something, and then as the days go on and as people mint the burgers, more people are creating more like yours, a little different. It ended up being like in the 2000 ranking. So I was like, yeah, well, I'm just gonna flip it, and then I also flipped my gobby for, what did I get? Five something. I think I got 525 for it, 5.25. Flipped it, and I was like, man, the real alpha is going to be buying and getting a virgin goblin, because obviously it will be more valuable, right? Because if you could wait till the end of all the mints, like people minting their McGoblin burgers, right? If you could wait till the end and then see what the rarest McGoblin burger is, and then basically build your NFT, right? Build your burger to the rarest one, then you could potentially have a higher chance of getting a rarer burger, right? But then I heard, we're hearing rumors that Beeple created the collection. I don't know. He might just be talking smack on Twitter. If you look on Twitter, Beeple was saying something like, yeah, if we check out, let's just check out Beeple quick. Beeple Goblintown. Like, he had a post with him and his buddy, like, at a dinner saying, his buddy was, I don't know where the post is. The rise and fall of Goblintown, I am the founder. Like, like a lot of weird things. I don't know if he's screwing around or what. But he also said that he invited, like, they were having dinner together, and then, like, the guy was, like, speaking in Goblin sounds, this dude right here. Beeple and YUGA Labs founder make posts hinting at being the creators of Goblintown. So, who knows? I don't know. Nobody knows. I'm in some chats in some of the private Discord groups, and these guys, everybody's still speculating. Nobody knows what the hell's going on. People are paper handing. They're buying in. It's up and down. So for me, I was like, man, I just want to get another gobby, right? And make sure he's a virgin. So let's go ahead and let me just show you quickly. So you basically just go to Goblintown.wtf /McGoblin. The link will be down the URL. By the way, if you're interested in NFTs and you want to learn how to flip NFTs and make some potentially great profits, check out my website, cryptowaters.com, by clicking the top right here in the cards or down below. Get on my email list because we're doing a lot of cool stuff. A lot of alpha, especially if you're a total newbie, you don't know where to start. We can help you get started with NFTs and make some really good profits in Ethereum. So anyway, you go to, and you don't have to have a goblin in your wallet, but you do have to connect. Okay, so you're gonna to have this enter goblin ID search field, you need to connect a wallet. So go to the URL, connect your wallet, and you basically, I use Trade Sniper, okay, because you can see the listings. At what rank they are, yada, yada, yada. So let's just take a look at this one. 5484, okay, is the number. So let's just type in 5484 here. 5484. And then check if Goblin ordered. He did not order. So he's a virgin Goblin. And I think that's why he is up for 14 and change. What is he at? They're asking 14.75. So I feel automatically, like, as time goes on, the virgin goblins are going to be worth more and more because it's literally like buying two NFTs in one. And there's another rumor with somebody saying that they were reading the contract code and saying that the goblins might be able to eat the burgers. And if you look on the website here, I might have to disconnect quick. It won't let me disconnect. I might have to... let me just disconnect quick. So when you get to the website, right, and you click want a burger, there used to be a note here. How come I don't see the note? There used to be a note that says, oh, after you mint it. So if you look at my other video when I minted my burger, it says in the note to make sure to eat your burger. So that was another hint in one of our groups on Discord and Twitter of people saying that you might have to eat. Like, how do you eat the burger, though? So, like, there's a lot of unknowns yet with this, where it's all going to go. People are saying it could be the next big thing. You know, who knows? I don't know. At this point, I'm pretty much in profit with a couple goblin flips. And I'm sitting on a virgin goblin. So this is how you basically search, you know, for a virgin goblin. So you just got to keep looking. A lot of the lower priced ones I feel are, you know, are used. So let's look at this one, 6178. You just go here, type in 6178, check if goblin ordered. Goblin ordered. So you can see it turns red. That means he already minted his burger, right? And he's not a virgin. So that's what I like to do. I'll just you know, hang out on Trade Sniper, or you could just be on OpenSea, you know, checking out the floor. Let's go back to items. Let's go to buy now, and then you could kind of like sweep the floor. I actually found one yesterday, a virgin for 4.88, which was a steal, because I ended up getting mine for 5.25. The virgin. So let's just say, let's take a look at this guy, 6571. 6571. I highly doubt it. Guaranteed he ordered. Yep, he did order. So, you know, you're basically going to have to make sure you get I would say, you know, minted burgers, the goblins are going to be lower in price. Virgins are going to be higher in price point. And who knows? That's my speculation. You know, I was in the shower thinking about it. I'm like, dang, I should just flip, you know, both of my, you know, flip my burger and flip my goblin and basically try to get a virgin. 8268, and then we'll head out. 82. Check if goblin ordered. He ordered. So a lot of them are ordered. You know, I checked a ton of them, and a lot of these guys are you know, are ordered. They're probably full eating their burgers, right? So anyway, Crypto Richie here. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you think. If you have one, let me know. Comment down below. Like, share what you think about Goblintown. If you're holding, if you're flipping, any information you got, let me know. Otherwise, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I'll be documenting more of my journey with Goblintown. I might be picking up another one. I don't know yet. Maybe we'll get another dip. Who knows? But looks like it's climbing back up to the 6 ETH price point. We had an all-time high not long ago of around, I think it was around 8.5 Ethereum, give or take, in that area. So, you know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I can open up my Icy Tools. It's on my other browser, though. So we're not going to get into the Icy Tools charts right now. Maybe we'll do that in another video. But, yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Talk to you soon. Have a great weekend, wherever you are in the world. Crypto Richie here hanging out. Peace.